Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard on the stove. Start by warming milk with a vanilla pod or extract until it steams but does not boil, then whisk eggs and sugar until smooth. Slowly pour warm milk into the egg mixture while whisking to temper the eggs. Return the mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly until it coats the back of a spoon. Gather your ingredients before you begin to keep everything smooth and stress-free. Use whole milk or a milk and cream combo, fresh eggs, measured sugar, and your chosen flavorings. Warm the milk gently so it becomes fragrant without scalding. Whisk eggs and sugar until slightly thickened, then slowly combine with warm milk. This prep keeps the cooking stage quick and helps you avoid lumps and curdling. Keep your heat low and your attention high for a perfect custard that is silky and smooth. Stir constantly in a figure 8 to prevent the eggs from curdling and to distribute heat evenly. Watch for the custard to thicken so it coats the back of a spoon. This indicates the right consistency. Remove from heat promptly, stir in butter if desired, and strain to eliminate any tiny cooked bits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.